Hello, my name is Fred Novakov. I'm a principal software consultant at BMC Software. Today we are going to discuss what is required to configure and use MainView Explorer, the GUI interface to the MainView monitors. Here's what the MainView Explorer interface looks like when you get it configured. Subsequent demo sessions will provide information on how to use many of the features of MainView Explorer, but first you must get it configured and running, and that is what will be explained today. And it's very simple to do and will not take any time at all. So you are probably thinking that you need to install something. Well, if you have MainView installed, you have everything you need. MainView Explorer is installed with any MainView monitoring product because it is considered part of the MainView infrastructure. So when the install was done, the MainView customization panels set up MainView Explorer automatically. The next few slides are from MainView customization. First, the setting of product parameters by selecting Specify Information. Followed by customizing each of the MainView products. Always included in this list is the MainView infrastructure, which, as we stated earlier, is where MainView Explorer lives. There isn't much to this, so it can easily be overlooked. Two PF keys to shift to the right reveal Server Proc. This is the procedure name placed in the sample library for the MainView Explorer server address space. There is no PC or server software to install. The same steps can be performed manually without using the BMC OZI installation and customization process, and they are documented here in the MainView Customization Reference Manual in the Creating Host Server Startup Procedure section. Either way, the result is a procedure with three important params. The first is the SSID name of the MainView Coordinated Address Space, or CAS, that you want MainView Explorer to connect to. The second is the port number the host server will use to manage the connection request from the clients. Make sure the default port number of 3940 is okay to use at your location and have it reserved by your network team so that no one else uses it in the future. The final parm is the user DS parm used to define the template for individual user datasets. There are two datasets that can be defined and used to store customization at the individual user level. They are the BBVDEF and BBCDEF libraries. The individual BBVDEF library is the same dataset used by the 3270 and is shared between them, so that customization done in either interface is available in the other. The BBCDEF is specific to MainView Explorer and stores MainView Explorer configurations. We will get into exactly what a configuration is in future demos, but for now, if you are familiar with 3270 MainView screens, they are analogous to them. Notice you can disallow the use of user datasets by specifying user DS equals no. That is really all that is needed at this point. Provided you have security, you could execute this JCL and begin accessing MainView via MainView Explorer. In addition to the individual user datasets, whose names are controlled by the user DS parm, MainView Explorer uses the same view definition and screen definition libraries that the 3270 MainView products use. This includes the BMC distributed views and screens, as well as the option to have site libraries to hold customized views, screens, and even configurations that can be accessed by all MainView users. So we will finish up with a few reference points in our documentation that you might find helpful. The first is from the MainView Administration Guide, where we show how to start and stop the host server and set some global options for MainView Explorer. Next is the MainView Security Reference Manual and what security options you have with MainView Explorer. One thing to remember is all MainView Explorer users are subject to mainframe security rules. They must have a TSO logon user ID and password to even get access to MainView, just like the 3270 interface. Finally, the MainView User Guide, where there are chapters on how to use and customize your MainView Explorer session. This concludes this demonstration on configuration and administration of MainView Explorer. Thank you for listening, and remember you can find many more demonstrations at www.bmc.com. And if there are other topics you think we should develop demonstrations for, please contact your local BMC representative.